Alright, so this is the Wrangler High Tie. Really cool build. Got the Extreme Recon package on it. Of course, you notice the badging. This one's still in ship mode. Just got here yesterday. Got the 7-inch Uconnect screen. All-weather floor mats. That's a Sunrider soft top for hard top. It'll actually take the place of the T-tops up there. A soft bonnet. It is heated seats and steering wheel. Really a nice build for a sport. With all the extras. It is heated seats and steering. Auto start stop. Of course, that's pretty much standard vehicles anymore. Good looking Jeep.